Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add your Gmail account to your IOB, Indian Overseas Bank account. First, log in to your IOB account using their mobile banking app or through the official website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the profile or account settings section. There you will find an option to add or update your email address. Enter your Gmail address carefully and confirm it by entering the OTP that will be sent to your registered mobile number. After successfully confirming this OTP, your Gmail account will be linked to your Indian Overseas Bank IOB account. If you encounter any issue during the process, you can reach out to IOB's customer support for further help. Feel free to let me know if you have any question about this process, and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.